In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Monday.com. If your board is starting to feel crowded, hiding columns is a quick and simple way to clean up your workspace and focus only on the information you actually need to see. This can be especially helpful when you're working with a board that has lots of fields, but only a few are relevant for the task you're doing right now. To begin, look for the Hide option in your Monday.com board view and click on it. This is where you can manage which columns are visible and which ones you'd prefer to temporarily remove from view. Hiding a column does not delete it, and it does not remove any of the data inside it. It simply makes your board easier to read by taking that column off the screen. After you click Hide, you'll be shown the available columns on the board. From here, select the column you want to hide. Take a moment to choose carefully, especially if your board contains several columns with similar names. If you're following along on a shared board, this can also help reduce visual clutter without affecting the structure of the board itself. As soon as you select the column, it will automatically be hidden. There's no extra confirmation needed, so the change happens right away. You should immediately notice that the board looks a little more streamlined, with that column bullet no longer visible in the current view. This is a useful feature when you want to simplify your workspace, present cleaner information during meetings, or temporarily remove columns that aren't relevant to your current workflow. It's also a great way to stay organized without permanently changing your board setup. If you ever need that column again later, remember that hiding is only temporary in terms of visibility. The column and its contents still exist in the board, so you can bring it back whenever needed through your board view settings. And that's all it takes to hide a column in Monday.com. It's a very small action, but it can make a big difference in keeping your board neat, focused, and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.